Handwork Studio friends. I hope you're having a wonderful day and welcome to another DIY project. My name is Allie and today we are going to be building a birdhouse. This is a very simple project with just a few simple materials. All you'll need is some popsicle sticks, a ruler, a pencil, and a hot glue gun. Let's get started. For this project, I used two types of popsicle sticks. These smaller ones for the roof and the bigger ones for the base. Let's start with making the base. To get started, I'm going to lay out my popsicle sticks. I will use 8 for the rows, and I will use 2 to support them. Go ahead and get my ruler to angle them to make sure that it's perfect. And then I will hot glue the supports on. And there is our base. We will go ahead and repeat this step 4 more times to get the 4 sides of the house. Okay, and for our last side of our wall, we're going to add a little circle in the middle so we have a hole for our birdie. So I'll go ahead and make sure that the sides are straight, and then I will add my supports. And now that all of our walls are done, let's get started on the roof. I'm gonna go ahead and lay out my smaller popsicle sticks for our roof. And I am using 15 of these for my roof. Okay, and now I'm going to take out my ruler and go ahead and make those nice and straight. And then I will go and take my bigger popsicle sticks to add some support. And I will be repeating this step like I did for the walls and putting one at the top and one at the bottom. And there's our roof. We're going to do this step 1 more time to get the other side. So to construct our birdhouse, you will need 1 panel for your base, 4 panels for the wall, and 2 panels for your roof. To start off, we will take our 4 sides of the wall and glue it around the base. You want to make sure that your supports are on the inside of the house. Then you'll take your hot glue gun and just put a line for your wall. We're going to repeat this step for all 4 sides. Okay, now that we have our 4 sides of the walls, we are going to go ahead and put our roof on the top. And we're going to go ahead and put some glue on the inside of the base. We're going to go ahead and put some glue on those supports on the inside to hold up our roof. And then glue the 2 roofs together, and there you have it. You're going to make sure that the 2 roofs are connecting at the top. So there we have it, our birdhouse. Thank you so much for joining us for this DIY project. Don't forget to decorate your birdhouse however you would like and share it with us. I'm going to go ahead and bring this one outside and wait for some birds. Happy crafting!